guys, Ramesh here from Basan. Today we'll be making fresh chicken wings from scratch with 4 different styles. So let's get started with our ingredients. First we're gonna need chicken wings with tip. We're gonna need this, very important. We need a little pepper, little salt, and Cajun rub. I'm gonna post the recipe for it in the description on my video. We're gonna need oil. We're gonna make Frank's Red Hot, chili, ginger, and orange glaze. So stay tuned and it's gonna be awesome. Look at the cut, gorgeous. So we just cut them and then we're gonna season them and we're gonna bake them. So the wings are cut, clean, and they're ready to be seasoned. Let's put the wings in a big bowl. A little bit of oil so the spices can stick to them. And we do salt to taste. Oh, black pepper to taste, sorry. Mixing my spices. Salt to taste. You know, and then a hefty amount of the seasoning, Cajun rub. I make my Cajun rub salt free, so you can control what it is. We start mixing them. This one's hard to make a run for it. Make sure all the seasonings are put in very nice and they're okay. So we've got the seasoning coated very nicely. Now we just dump it on the tray. And spread it out evenly as we can, and ready to go in the tray. We're gonna put them in the oven, 425 for about 35 minutes. I'll check in about 20 minutes or so, and about 30 minutes they're nicely done. And then so the wings are out of the oven. They're cooked all the way. They're rested for like about 10 minutes. They're ready to go in the fryer. So we take a few, like 10 at a time, put them in the bowl. Our fryer is ready at 350. Wings are ready, gorgeous color. Just have to repeat the same step for the rest, and that'll be the fun part. We're gonna put them in sauce. Okay guys, the wings are ready. You see, the color is gorgeous. Perfectly seasoned. Now, the fun part. We're gonna season them and then we're gonna plate them. Okay, so we're gonna make 5 different flavors, so 10 wings per order. Put a little sauce. Okay, make the first batch. Goes right in the middle. So I got pointed out, not in the middle, on the serving platter. The second one we're gonna do Carolina style barbecue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Put the sauce in. I usually leave the hot sauce that I did before in it, so it gives it a little zip, little taste. So now we plate our Carolina barbecue right next to them. looks super hot. Put the little extra sauce right on top. Okay, so now we are gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna do sweet chili, or Thai chili, sweet chili. Just give it a nice mix. And time to plate. And we gently put it in the middle. Okay, for the last one, we're gonna do Asian kick sauce. Mix it. And we plate it right in the middle. Okay, for the last step, my favorite condiment is dried parsley. This is it, guys. This brings us to the end of our video. It was very simple. We cut it, we seasoned it, we baked it, we deep fried it, we sauced it. I hope you liked my video. Please remember to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys next time, Basant style.